All right, you guys, we have a project on cleaning and landscaping a whole yard. So I'm going to show 2 videos, one on cleanup with the weed whacker, and I'm putting in beds. It's odd to think that I'm putting these raised beds in a house that needs so much work, just to even bring it out to code, and you're going to see all that. But what I'm doing is I'm setting up an area. This is going to be herb containers because we're going to have a grill station. We're going to have a fire pit. We're going to do all this wonderful stuff. And just because you need all this work done, like the stairs behind me, it doesn't mean that you can't start designing it and implementing the plants, because remember, they take a while to grow. So follow this whole crazy thing that I'm doing, and see you then.